Hey everybody. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on Mine White's Tools and Toys channel or just my personal channel because I don't know how aggravated I'm gonna get. Yeah. So we got my granddaughter a Volkswagen EOS sometime last year. I don't know. Maybe year before last. I don't know when we got it. Anyway, the driver's side window has never worked because it's got some kind of a special German engineered shit. You know how Germans can engineer some stuff. Anyway, every mechanics either don't want to touch it or they want to charge a fortune for it. And we've got the parts, but originally I was just gonna do, the door handle. The door handle's been broke, so you couldn't really grab the door handle and pull it. You had to grab it by the little cubby hole shelf down there and shut it, which it worked. But since I never drive the car, I never think about it, and my granddaughter don't complain about it, anything really. She's a kid that we've been really, really blessed to have, and my daughter's extremely lucky to have a child like this kid. She don't complain, and but she had a flat. I had to go pick the car up, and it dawned on me that the handle's been broke forever, and I've never fixed it for. So I was gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it, and I decided, well, heck, while I'm in here, hell, I might as well see if I can fix the window. A guy told me something a long time ago that has stuck with me forever. And I think everybody should keep this in mind whenever they have a problem with something, need something fixed. If a man made it, or if a man invented it, any man can fix it. Okay? I got to get in that, behind that black area right there. Now, the way the window motor and everything works, the way I understand it, it's coiled up. I look like I got scratched in the eyeball. It's the coiling process that nobody wants to mess with. So we'll see how it goes, and as I go through the day of maybe throwing fits and throwing stuff, we'll see what happens. Motherfucker. Get some of this. Alright, look at it. See, nothing to it. Alright, update. I gotta take the window out. I know for window guys, anybody in auto body line of work, that's no big deal. This is one of my first times on something like this. It looks like a freaking plate of spaghetti down here. Yeah. I hope this don't end up being one of them where my granddaughter's not happy at my attempts. Good thing I got plenty of time. Look, I got it all together. All together. But there's a catch. That's on the wrong side of that cable. So now I gotta take that winding back apart. Y'all know who Bernie Mac is? Times like this I think about Bernie Mac. it's sad that he died because he had a lot of good lessons for America, being stupid and crybabies, you know, calling things what they were. I'm not saying everybody's stupid and crybabies, but doing things with so much detail to it and wiring and everything else that you normally don't have any part of. I think about Bernie Mac a lot when he says, America, this is about the point you realize you should have just took it to the mechanic. So I'm taking a line from the kids. Trying to rewind that, pull that thing out. Bro. Oh my gosh. I spooled the thing backwards. Oh my gosh, I gotta take it back apart. Come on. Serious? Y'all can't put a regular freaking damn screw in this thing? Oh no, let's put something in here that nobody ever freaking has around your house. Kind of bag on plastic. There you go. Gosh. Oh, and now it's broke. Oh. What a surprise. Imagine that. It's broke. Yeah. So then you gotta go buy more of it. What the? I don't get that. I don't want to do that bullshit. Oh gosh, there's more of them. Oh shit, they're all fucking broke. Oh god. You're gonna get me so much done. Oh gosh, damn. Oh my gosh. That does it. I've had enough of this bullshit. Oh my god. Hey. Volkswagen. Hey, one more thing. Sorry I didn't get enough video. I got so excited and was having so much fun. I forgot to turn the camera on. It was a very easy job. Didn't run into any problems at all. You mother...
Hey, Bobby, having troubles?
No, buddy. Sitting here working on some stuff. Thinking about going to getting tannerite.
You can get Nana and ask her.
Ask Nana. No, this is just for me and you to talk about. Nana don't need to know about it. Just pretty basic. Mosquitoes. That makes working on a car even better. You know, anybody that ever pays attention to their dad when their kid's growing up, later on they remember stuff that their dad said and they understand why he said it, especially if you have kids. When I was about 14, my dad said something, and me and my older brother have laughed about it for years, but we wondered where the hell did that come from. Well, Dad, I understand. Cheetah chimba some booger. I understand.